Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to compare Stripe Capital versus a traditional bank loan for your business. I've been there, staring at both options, needing cash flow to push a big inventory purchase or ramp up marketing. It's an important decision, and the best choice really depends on your business's DNA. Let's break down the comparison into three key areas: speed and process, costs and fees, and repayment structure. 1. Speed and process. From my experience, Stripe Capital is all about speed and simplicity. If you're already using Stripe, they analyze your sales data and often just present an offer right in your dashboard. There's no lengthy application, no gathering stacks of documents, and no credit check impact. The funds can be in your account in as fast as one business day. That's a huge win when you need working capital yesterday. A bank loan, on the other hand, is a traditional marathon. You'll spend weeks, maybe even a couple of months, compiling full financial statements, a business plan, and collateral documents. They run hard credit checks, and the whole process is thorough. It's slower, but the rigorous process is often what leads to the lower cost, which brings me to the second point. 2. Costs and fees. This is where the difference is stark. Stripe Capital uses a fixed fee, what they call a factor rate, not a traditional APR interest rate. For example, you might borrow $10,000 and have a fixed fee of $1,000, meaning you pay back exactly $11,000, no matter how fast you repay. The equivalent APR, however, can be quite high, especially if you pay it back quickly, which your sales might force you to do. A bank loan gives you a clear annual percentage rate, APR. If you have a solid business and good credit, the APR from a bank will almost always be significantly lower than the factor rate equivalent from Stripe. The downside is banks often charge upfront fees, like origination fees, that can add to your cost. But overall, for the lowest cost of capital, the bank loan is usually the winner. 3. Repayment structure. The repayment model is perhaps the biggest operational difference. Stripe Capital's repayment is automated and flexible. They take a fixed percentage of your daily sales process through their platform until the balance and fee are paid off. If you have a slow sales day, your payment is smaller. If you have a boom day, you pay more. This aligns repayment directly with your cash flow, which is a massive relief for businesses with unpredictable or seasonal income. With a bank loan, you have a fixed monthly or sometimes weekly payment. This payment is set regardless of how your business performed that month. You have to ensure you have the cash on hand for that exact due date. It's predictable for budgeting, but it can be a cash flow strain if sales dip unexpectedly. However, the bank loan gives you more control over your full daily revenue. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.